Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find HEMI wallet address on Binance. So as you can see, this is the HEMI charts, and if you want to transfer your HEMI from other wallets or airdrop to Binance exchange, it's very easy. But first, you have to find the wallet address. So in this video, I will show you how, and make sure you watch this video until the end. So first, you can open your Binance apps, and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your asset in the bottom right corner here, and then as you can see, there is add funds here. You can click it, and then you can choose on chain deposit, and then in the search box here you can just search HEMI, and then click this one, and then there is two network, BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum. So make sure you choose the same networks. Let's say I want to choose BNB Smart Chain here, and this is my HEMI wallet address on Binance. So if you want to transfer your HEMI, you can just copy it and then paste it on your other wallet, but make sure you have to choose the right network or the same network, which is BNB Smart Chain in my case. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.